Hello and welcome back to Erika Cole Cooking. In this video, we're going to be making a salmon and shrimp Alfredo pasta. I know I always tell y'all that the recipe is my favorite, but this one got to be like in my top 3. It's going to have so much flavor. See, I know when I got some heavy cream, I'm going to make me a good old sauce. Let me show you. Okay, this is everything that we need. I have shaved Parmesan cheese. This is extra large and jumbo shrimp. I have some garlic paste, some chopped onions, some spinach, heavy cream, and or a piece of salmon that I'm about to go ahead and season. To season my seafood, I'm going to use some onion powder, some pepper, some garlic powder. I got pink salt. And I'm going to be using my 90s flavor seasoning. This is in the description box if you want to get that. And the last thing I'll add on is some paprika. So we have our salmon. I oiled this down, seasoned the other side. And we have the shrimp. Our skillet is hot, so I'm going to go ahead and add some oil. It smells so good in here, y'all. So good. Okay, so our salmon is about done, so I'm going to take this off the heat, put it in a bowl, and mash it up, and then we're going to take off the shrimp. Just going to break this up. You don't have to be all the way like chopped fine, but you just want to break it up a little bit. I'm going to take my shrimp and we're going to just add that into this bowl so I can go ahead and start on everything else. In another saucepan, I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, if you use this type of saucepan from the beginning, you can just go ahead and use those, use that same pan. Okay, I'm going to add in my garlic, which I'm using garlic paste, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add in my onion too. Okay, we're going to get ready to pour cream in, so I'm going to measure out 1 cup. We're going to mix some of the heavy cream in at a time. Now we're going to add in some Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add some in at a time. So I'm sprinkle some in there. Mix it in. Okay, so I added all the cheese in. This was a 5-ounce container, and there's only a little bit because I want to use this for the top. But you just want to add some salt and pepper. That's what I'm going to do now. Now I'm going to add in my spinach. Okay, make sure you taste this before you add in everything else, like your salmon and your shrimp. So taste the sauce first. I taste this and it tastes really good. You want to taste yours to see how you would like it, and then add everything else in. I'm gonna go ahead and add my noodles in. You want to add the seafood in last. It smells good, y'all, and it's like tastes so good. So you can turn the heat off and then add in your shrimp. I'm gonna add salmon because I want to put some on top. So I'm gonna put some of that in there and some of the salmon in there. I'm gonna be having some good new recipes coming for y'all, so you want to make sure you're subscribed. And now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top. So guys, here is our shrimp and salmon Alfredo pasta. Oh my gosh, y'all, I don't have any words. I'm totally speechless. Make sure you share this with your peeps because I know they love good food. Follow me on all my social media, Erika Cole Cooking on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. This recipe is just like, wow. So don't say I didn't show you. I heart food and I heart you. Until the next one.